Ngarang ahing Senapatida Thok-Khiba Thawdok adu Nagalanda Assam Rifles ki personnel ama ambush tawduna hatkhiba amadi marina asok Sokhan Kibagi, Thokdokta, Chennaba Singh Phaba Lakpada, Thok-Khibani Haibagi Pau Phangi Haina, Home Minister Govindas Konthaw Jamna Phongdorakli. Lakliba Tangkun Mangadagi August Kun Humdoi Phauba Pangthokadawriba Duran Cup ki Chama Kuntra Manga Suba Edition Trophy Tour Lamthabagi Thauramda Wafam Asi Mahangna Phongdokhibani. Manipur gi Khuman Lampak Yauna Lebak Asigi Tongan ba Stadium Kayada Pangthokadawriba Duran Cup ki Trophy Tour adu Yas Minister Govindas Konthaw Jamna ngasi Bishnupur District ki Manung Chamna Leiba Sendradagi Lamthaki. Duran Cup asi Government of Manipur gi Matinga Loinana Indian Armed Forces na sillaga Pangthokadabani. Thauram aduda Indian Army gi Yankhai Tare Suba Mountain Division gi General Commanding Officer IGAR South amadi Yas ki Secretary su Sarukyaki. Trophy adu Thangjing Thumpers ki Biker Singh amadi Indian Army gi Trophy Convoy na guard tawduna Tidim Lambida Imphal Tamna Purakhi. Thauram aduga mari lainana Yas Minister Govindas Konthaw Jamna hai sana khonabana leibak anigi marakta nungsi chanaba purakpa khakta natana tangdu leitana hingminnaba ngamhali. Indian Armed Force na sinduna Asia gi khwaidagi leadaba amasung leibak asigi oina khwaidagi maming leiraba football tournament asigi tour sendra dagi lamthariba asigi damak thagatli. Duran Cup ki trophy tour asi Yas Manipur ga khusam naraga sinba handak ki asina ahum subani masigi damak Indian Army gi Yankhai Tare Suba Mountain Division busu thagatli. Tournament asi malem gi oina khwaidagi hena liraba football tournament singi manungda ahum subani haina su mahangna makhata na phongdokhi. Thauram adugi saruk ama oina national amadi international gi thakta sanaduna medal lawraklaba amadi Arjuna awardee singda ikai khumnaba utpa oina lengyan amadi achamba khudol tamkhi amadi saknai raba Sakpa Saisakpi Kayana Sarukyaduna Isai Nongmai Thauram Amasu Pangthokhi.
As we all know that Manipur is known as the powerhouse of sports. In every family we have a sports person and the sports becomes a part of life to the people of Manipur. Today's flag of marks the beginning of another exciting chapter in football in our country. As we know that football holds a special place in the hearts of the people of Manipur and are consistently proud, outstanding footballers and athletes who have brought pride to the nation, loyal for our state too.
Mi khara tana bahai da ambush taw Nagaland ambush taw adugi Thok-Khibani thawdo ni to bahai da ko kadane ko na